Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to design a t-shirt in Bluewillow. The process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. Let's get started without wasting any time. So you can see that I am on my Bluewillow interface. I'm going to put the link for this in my description box and you can access it from there for free. Now if I scroll this down a little bit, you can see there are these rookies. I'm going to click any one and then I'm going to enter a prompt in this message box. I'm going to click / and then I'm going to click this imagine, and then I'm going to write a prompt. You can write anything that you want to design. I'm going to design a t-shirt, and now I'm going to write what kind of design I want. For example, I am going to write design a t-shirt in florals. Now let's see what Bluewillow generates for us and designs a t-shirt for us. You have to wait at this point because you have to be patient with this step. It might take a while, maybe 30 seconds or more. I'll be back once this step is done. Now you can see that it has designed a t-shirt for me and I have 4 designs. Now I can download these if I want and I can design more t-shirts, and I just have to write in this prompt that what kind of design and for what gender I want it. You can write the whole description over here and you can design a t-shirt on Bluewillow. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.